Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks for your daily night skincare routine. I hope this video will help you a lot because it has all the basic ingredients which is available at your place, so you can easily follow this routine and you don't need to buy any, there's no need to buy any products. It is like everything which is available at your place. Keep watching because at the end of this video, I'm also going to share a tip with you which will be very helpful for you. So starting with cleaning your face, that is face wash, I'm going to use this face wash. You can use any face wash available at your place, and like whichever face wash you use regularly, you can use that face wash and clean your face first, and then we'll move to the next step. So here you can instantly see the difference which is there, and like your skin will look clean. And this is the only step, like if you don't want to do lots of things, you can follow this only step to keep your skin healthy. And one more thing I would like to tell you that I'm not promoting anything like the way like you can become fairer or you can increase your lighter your skin tone. It is only a way in which you can keep your skin healthy. Okay, so keeping your skin healthy is very important. It will glow naturally. So my first step is done and you can see like it looks clean than before. Moving to the next step, it is a scrub. So I'll just prepare that and I'll tell you the ingredients which will be used to make the scrub. This is coffee powder. I had some fresh coffee beans, so I just crushed them in the mixer and it smells like a true coffee. And I don't use any coffee powders which are available in market in sachet to make coffee, like drinking coffee. It is a cocoa powder which is purely natural. So here I'm going to take around like just half teaspoon. I have this is a tablespoon, so I'm just using this much. It would be half teaspoon of cocoa powder. And ingredient is this aloe vera gel, and I'll like just squeeze again these equal amount of aloe vera gel in it. This is what it is. I'm going to add the similar portion of honey in this mixture. I just added honey, like same amount, and then I'll mix it, and there is one more ingredient. After mixing this entire mixture, like aloe vera gel, honey and coffee powder, I'll add a pinch of turmeric in this. Here it goes. I'll mix it all and apply it on my face. So here I have my scrub ready. It is like not a very harsh but a mild scrub, you can see. And now I'll apply it on my skin. And you need to rub it very gently on your face. You can do this rubbing for next 5 minutes gently all over your face, and then you can wash it. So now I have washed my face with cold water, and I'll tell you guys, like frankly, I'm not very regular with my skincare routine. I just make sure like you perform these steps every alternative days or thrice a week. That would help a lot. And since now it's the time when everybody's at home, so you can surely do this. So this is the time I'm doing it, and I'm not very regular with these steps. And even in lockdown also, I was not very regular. Like I just do it twice a week, maybe. You can do it that way as well. But make sure you wash your face daily. I don't do that. Okay, so we'll move to the third step. Moving to the third step, our first ingredient is multani mitti. I'll add again like half teaspoon of multani mitti. You can see the quantity, how much I've taken. And next here, this is sandalwood powder. So we'll add this also, like half tablespoon also. And our third ingredient is raw milk. So you can add your milk according to your required consistency. I've just added like 1 tablespoon of raw milk now. And I'll mix this. And I find it very consistent, so that's all. So here is the paste ready to be applied. So like, I'll just simply apply it, a thick coating all over my face, and you need to keep this for 15 minutes. So like, I'll keep it for next 15 minutes. It smells very good. The smell of raw milk and sandalwood. You can also apply it on your neck area if you have some extra part of it, or if you feel like doing so. Make sure every part of your face is covered. So it's done, and I have a little bit of more of it, so I'll apply it on my neck area like this. And you can leave it to dry for next 15 minutes, and you will see the difference when it will dry. I hope if you're using it, you must be knowing. I've coated my face with a very thick layer. So guys, it has been 15 minutes and it has dried up to some extent, and since I have applied a very thick layer, so it's taking a lot of time to get dried up, so I cannot wait more, and I'm just going to clean my face and come back. So I've cleaned my face after the mask, and I'll just tap it till it dries, and then I'll show you some more steps, like to apply some serum, night serum, or any night cream which you have, which you regularly use, which will soothe your skin at night, and it will like rejuvenate your skin basically, and you can use that serum or night cream with whatever you have. So I basically use this serum. I have been using this since last 1 year. It's a Pilgrim Vitamin C night serum. It's very good and it's very affordable also. It's costed me around 550 rupees, and you'll surely get some discounts on Nykaa. So once you make sure like your face is all dried and clear, like it's not wet anymore, then you can apply this serum. Since I'm feeling it a little bit wet, so I'll wait for a while and I'll make sure, since my towel is wet, I have used it thrice now, so just tap it from the dry side, and now I'll apply the serum on my face. And after this, the tip will come. Basically I'll show the tip first because I use this before applying the serum. It helps a lot. Here in this small little box I have that, this box is of something else. It was a trial facial scrub gel box, but since I have kept some other mixture which I have made in this box, in this bottle, and this mixture is of two different oil. One is castor oil and one is virgin coconut oil. Yes, here I have it. It is virgin coconut oil. So like I have mixed both of them in equal ratio, and I use it as a eye gel, like eye cream, and also for my eyelashes. So I'll show you applying this. This is a tip for this video. This this oil, mixture of these two oil, you can also add 2-3 tablets of vitamin E capsules, and you can just poke it and extract the oil out of the tablet and mix it with this mixture. That will also help a lot. Since I have it but I haven't mixed, so I'm just using these two things only. And every time for castor oil, it is like just to make it a key rule to mix it with some other oil, because castor oil is very thick, it's very sticky. If you apply it directly, it will cause you irritation. You will not feel good. Also, it smells a little bit different from other oil. Like it's the smell is a little bit harsh. So you can easily mix it with coconut oil. It goes very well with coconut oil, and you can then apply it. So I have used the equal ratio of both the oils, and I've kept it in this box to apply it daily on my under my eye area, under and above my area, like entire circular motion, and also on my lashes. So I'll show you how I do it. I have also kept that eyelash brush. I've taken that from a mascara, like the old mascara, and you can also use that stick to apply it on your lashes, but now I'll use my hands and show you. So I'm using this, my ring finger. Since ring finger it doesn't creates that much pressure around your eye area, because it's very sensitive area, and if you use other fingers, so it is a little bit it gives more pressure to on your eye area, which is not good for your eyes. And basically ideally you should use your ring finger for this. So I'll just take one drop on this my ring finger like this, and after taking this drop, I'll mix it with my another ring finger, like on my both hands, only on ring fingers. And now I'll start applying it around my eyes, under and above my eyes, and I'll just mix it. This is like enough. If you want to apply some more, it will get like too much. So one drop is enough for both of your eye area. Just apply it entirely. Now I'll take one more drop for my eyelashes in the similar way on my ring finger. I'll mix it on my other ring finger and apply it on my lashes like this. You can see basically the way we apply mascara with a brush. I'll just make sure it coats all my lashes, lower and upper lashes, and I'll also apply it on the waterline of my eyes, like below our waterline, and the above one also. I'll take one more drop for my eyelashes to coat them properly with this. This process will basically help your eyes to relax. We put lots of product on our eye area, like a mascara, liner and all. apart from that, we use lots of like gadgets like mobile phone, telephone, sorry, mobile phones, laptops, desktop. So that also like you can see the tiredness on your eyes when you use all these things. You'll also feel some itching effect on your eye while you use these gadgets, which emit some rays, which is not good for our eyes. So applying this will entirely help you to get a good sleep. And as soon as you'll start massaging your eye area, you'll start feeling sleepy, you'll start feeling relaxed. So surely do this, and also apply it nicely on your lashes. It will also like decrease the breaking of lashes, like your lashes will fall less, and it will also help in growth of these lashes to some extent. So I've applied it properly in my eye area, and then I'll move applying my serum. This is my serum, and just take 2-3 drops of it, my sort of oil, and I'm unable to open this. Just 1 second, huh? So here it goes. I basically got this serum like for my pigmentation near my mouth area. I just wanted something to help me out with this pigmentation near my mouth area, and also some under my eyes. So that is something like similar to dark circles, and everybody has this dark area. So I just wanted to reduce this. For that, I'm using this, and you can tap like this so that the oil goes inside your face, and you have cleaned it very nicely. So let your skin absorb this, and you can also massage your face properly after applying this. And my hands are out of this. You can see like once you see it in your mirror, like, and you'll also see in the camera, it has some glowing effect. Definitely like something, since the oil is there, so it will help a lot. And apart from that, I can feel the calmness in my skin, and while I see my face in the mirror, I can feel the goodness which I have got now. So guys, I'm also going to make a part 2 of this video, since these steps will be like followed every alternative day. No need to follow it daily. Daily it will become too much, right? So you can follow these steps in every alternative days. And for like when I use these steps alternatively, the day, like the between day, the gap between these 2 days, I do some other steps, which is also from basic ingredients, which is available from at your home. So I'm going to make a part 2 of this video, and here these many steps are not involved. Like starting and ending step, like the cleaning your face and applying this serum will be same. And apart from that, the step between in between this, there will be one step. So I'll share another video tomorrow on this. And this was the tip, the eye thing, the oil which I have prepared, mixing 2 oils. So make sure you follow the step, and you follow these steps, and find out like how you feel for your skin, and surely comment below and let me know, did the steps help you to make your skin better, healthy, basically healthy and glowing, and nothing related to like decreasing your skin tone or anything like that. I hope you like this video. Keep supporting. Bye bye.